Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 7th February. It's non-farm payrolls Friday, looking at gold, which is my final chart of the day. And gold is, well, it's been a bit up and down today. It's been a bit mixed. It's currently a couple of bucks higher, so subsequently you've got a small positive candle at the moment, and that would be 3 in a row, which would suggest you are starting to build support for gold again. But I'm sort of suggesting that I think anywhere between 23.6% fib and 38.2% fib, I think you're broadly neutral on gold. A little bit of a positive bias coming out on the near-term basis, but considering the fact that we're still sort of sliding in this corrective move on RSI MACD, then I'm still sort of fairly neutral. Ultimately, I think near-term corrections are a chance to buy for medium-term positive outlook, which I think is going to continue whilst you're trading above 1536. This week's low, 1546, interestingly, pretty much to the support of that late January reaction low, which again was around that 38.2% fib line. So that is a key level of support now. Resistance lines, I think you're sort of taking, as I said, 23.6% fib is 1572, there or thereabouts, is sort of these old lows from late last week, so old support becomes new resistance overhead, and you can see that around 1570 area on the hourly chart. Tick higher today in the last hour or so. This is all coming ahead of payrolls, and again, I wouldn't be necessarily backing gold to be running strongly higher in the wake of payrolls, certainly if it turns out to be a decent headline number, which, well, given the ADP number on Wednesday, we could well see. So I'm a little bit surprised gold is finding traction in a more sustainable traction, let's just say that, because I don't necessarily think it's going to be coming out of that necessarily, because I think if you get a strong payrolls report today, you'll see gold price coming back lower again. So just play this with caution, I think, at the moment in front of payrolls, and then we'll probably reassess it and then see where we're sitting in the wake of the payrolls report. But for now, a little bit of a positive bias within what I'll still say is a neutral configuration. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars.